In this lesson, we'll go over how to sort and organize your sample locations and field tasks on the mobile app. Sample locations or field data tasks are sorted into two categories. The first one is sample and the second one is gauge. If you select sample, only the locations in which a laboratory sample is to be collected will be listed. If you select gauge, only the locations in which field data, no sample, is to be collected will be listed. Field data includes groundwater elevation data. The default view is the All button in which both categories will be listed together. The second way to sort field samples and tasks is by using the sorting feature on the top right of the screen and sorting either alpha-numerically or sorting based on the level of total contamination, as indicated by lab data from the last time the location was sampled. To sort by total contamination, click Contamination and the list will sort locations from clean at the top to the dirtiest at the bottom. We all know it's a good quality control measure to sample or collect data from the cleanest locations first, to the dirtiest locations last. Click A to Z and locations will be sorted alpha-numerically. Again, total contaminant levels are based on when the location was last sampled and totals up all contaminants that were tested for. If the contaminant level data is not available, the software will assume the location is clean. That is how you sort and organize your sample locations and field tasks on the mobile app.